guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all really well. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe for more videos from me and join in the family. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of our new high chair. We've just bought our daughter Amelia, who's now 6 months old, so I thought that I would do a little unboxing and show you guys what it's like and kind of my first impressions on the high chair. The high chair we decided to go for was the Joie Mimzy Snacker. We got ours with the twinkle linen as like the fabric and the sort of look of it. It's just grey with some white stars on. I've been after a high chair for the last few weeks and decided to order this one from John Lewis. I was able to do the click and collect and go and pick it up at my local Waitrose. So I did that this morning and now I've got it. This cost us £49 on the John Lewis website. I think it's roughly £49 as well on other websites like Amazon. We looked on there, but I just wasn't sure how quick it would come, and doing the click and collect meant that I was able to have it sort of as soon as possible really. I ordered this on Saturday and it's now Monday, so yeah, it didn't take long at all, especially for a weekend. So yeah, I don't want to babble on for much longer and make this a really long and rambly video. I'm just going to get straight into it and start unboxing it. This looks like it's folded up super easily, so I'm hoping that it's not going to be complicated at all to put together. I should also just mention that this is the first Joie product that we have ever tried. I haven't got anything else from this brand, so yeah, I'm excited to potentially find another brand for babies that I really like. I'm just going to drop the box to the other side of the island. Okay, so this is the tray part. It's got a little cup holder on it. I'm just going to quickly read how to pop it together. It's literally like 2 bits click into one. So this is super simple to pop together. You literally just click the 2 legs in place and that is it. I like that it has the extra sort of storage solution for the tray, so it's actually got its own place rather than just being left around your kitchen somewhere else. And I like that it has the storage basket, which to me is optional because you don't have to have it clicked on, it just slides in place really simply. So far I am really impressed with the high chair. I also really like the fact that I feel like Amelia's got a lot of sort of growing time in this high chair. As you can see, her little feet don't reach the top step yet. Obviously she's only 6 months old, but where older children's feet might be able to rest. So I know that I'm going to get a lot of use out of this already, fingers crossed. And I also like that you have the option to lie back. I also love how easy it is to fold up and how kind of slim it goes. It's not a bulky, big, chunky high chair. It's a really lightweight one. And this is the finished result. Amelia's got her toy, your wiggly worm, and your dribble. I need to put a bib on you. But I just quickly gave her this just to show you what this looks like. I like that it has the option to lie back, like if she falls asleep or something, you don't want to move her, you can lie her down. I like that it has a storage basket on the bottom if you want extra storage. Not sure what I'd keep in there just yet, mainly some of her toys, but she likes to play with her other toys in different rooms, not just the kitchen. But yeah, this is the finished result. She's got the little footrest here for when her feet get a bit bigger, but they're just a bit small at the moment. But yeah, Amelia really likes it. She's enjoying her fruit dummy in it and I'm really impressed. I definitely recommend it, especially for the price. I would love you to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I know to do some more sort of baby reviews on here, and we will see you very soon for another video.